Alright, so the first thing that we are going to do is just folder management and reference. Just like the last course, we are going to arrange everything so that everything is set up and we can work faster. So for the people that's only enrolled in this course and not on the beginner's course, make sure that you create a main folder right here. And just go ahead and create all these subfolders right here because that's all that you're going to need. So the first thing that you're going to do if you're coming from the beginner's course is go ahead and open your main folder. Remember where you save your last Unity project. Mine was under the work in progress under the Unity projects and it's right here. So I'm just going to create a folder right here and I'm going to name it Unity projects. So I'm basically reorganizing everything because we're adding new folders into this. So scale this and that, and I'm going to transfer this. I'm just going to basically just drag this and put it there. And wait till this thing complete. Alright, so now that that is done, I'm going to my reference folder right here, and as you can see, we have new images. So the images that we are going to use for this particular scene is number 7 right here, number 8, number 10, number 15, 16, and 17. And the new pictures, that's going to be under your resources folder. So just download all of those and just go ahead and put it under your reference folder. And just kind of put it here and number it the same way that I've numbered this. Because I'm going to refer to them as we create our asset list later on so that you won't get confused, okay? So after that is done, what we're going to do next is go to our FBX right here. And I'm going to create a folder and just practically name it Portal FBX, and I'm going to transfer every single FBX files that we've modeled on the last course in there. And I'm going to create a new folder again and name this one a Swamp FBX. And we are going to put the swamp models in here later on. So I'm going to keep organizing, go to your Maya right here, create a new folder right here. And I'm just going to name this Portal MB files. I'm going to create another folder and name it Swamp MB files. I'm going to drag every single one of these. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and rename this and add 01. I have a habit of just leaving it Portal Environment and then the next one is like Portal Environment 02. Don't do something like that. Just keep the name conventions all the time. So I'm going to drag this, put this on the portal right here. And I'm just basically going to delete this one. So the next thing I'm going to do is go to the ZBrush folder right here, and I'm just basically going to delete this. This is the stuff that we've exported on ZBrush. And since all of our models are already set up in the FBX folder, we don't really need this. I just need my ZBrush file. So I'm going to go open this and just kind of put that here. As you can see, now it's outside, and I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to rename this Portal ZPR, maybe Portal Environment. Alright, and all of our portal, all of our mesh that we decimate is under the ZBrush file. So I'm going to keep that like that. And next thing, we're going to renders right here. And I'm going to create a folder. This is for the portal renders. And I'm just going to go ahead and copy this and paste it, and I'm just going to name this Swamp Renders. If you have any renders from the last course, just go ahead and put that there. And these are just kind of like screenshot that I took on my scene on the last course, and that's my render. We didn't really touch up on rendering, but on this course we are going to do that. So for the people that are just enrolled in this course, particularly just on this course, all you have to do is do the ones that we're doing that's only related to the intermediate course. Don't worry so much about the portal folders and everything that's related to that, because since you're doing the swamp, just worry about the swamp. Next thing that we're going to do is we are going to our asset list somewhere on the notes. And I'm going to kind of name this into something like Portal Asset List. And I'm going to create a new note right here, and I'm going to name this Swamp Asset List. For the new people, as you can see, an asset list is just a list of everything that we're going to do, a baseline, so we have an idea of what we're going to do. It's basically just so everything is organized and we're not gonna go blind and just randomly create everything, because that's gonna take a long time. I've done that so many times and it never worked out, because each time I think of a new idea and I think it's good and I model that, later on I model something else and it blew up. It's just everything doesn't match. So the purpose of asset list is structure, so that we already know what we're modeling, why we're modeling it, and we know already that everything's gonna work out, okay? So create a swamp asset list under on your notes. So don't worry too much about the extra stuff right here. I'm going to attach this later on future videos as we progress throughout this course. These are kind of just snippets, links, and where to find good sources and all that stuff. And that's basically it. So don't worry too much about that.